Hi. The purpose of this screencast is to show you how you can use the storage space provided by Docxpresso. I mean, this storage space is a different storage space from the one used by the templates and documents that are generated within the tool. These are just to store information about your clients, your colleagues, PDFs that could be relevant or that you want to link, or whatever may be related to the workflows of your daily work. Okay, so it is very simple, so we'll go pretty fast. The first thing that you have to do is to create a share folder. I will go here, click on create folder. I will call it my documents. Okay, and I am going to just write down here some description. Storage space for my docs. We just save. Okay, and we can add members to these share folders so people can use them, administrators, but well, for the time being, we are just going to leave it like that because I am working like administrator of the tool, so I can visit every single share folder. So I will go to manage shared folder. Okay, and as you can see here in the left side menu, we have browse storage. Like we have just created this shared folder, the storage space is empty, and the first thing that we are prompted is to create a folder. Okay, so I am going to create one that I'm going to call it, I don't know, test. Create folder. The folder is created, and whenever we can already just using the file explorer on the left or just clicking here, go to that folder that by the time being is empty, but we can just upload any document that we want. So let me do that now. For example, I am going just to upload the CSV file here, and as you see, it's here. I can directly download it. We have it here. And also another thing we can do is create a share link if we want to share it with someone outside Docxpresso. So we just go here and we activate the permanent link and we copy it and we go here. And for example, we click here and we may open it again. Okay. So another thing that we can do is, of course, we can delete it. We can refresh, meaning that if we want to maintain the previous permanent link, we can refresh the contents of this file. And of course, we can create subfolders, whatever. So to that extent, this works like any other storage system. Okay, I hope that you find this interesting and useful for your daily tasks.